project, we have used BD140. The pin identification is, if you hold like this, pin number 1 will be the emitter, middle one is collector, and the last one is a base. Okay, so first we will connect CD140 transistor and 1 kilo ohm resistor to flame sensor. The flame sensor has 3 pins, VCC, ground, and a D output pin. VCC is connected to the emitter terminal of the BD140, and D out is connected to base of BD140 through 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is buzzer connection. The buzzer is connected between, this is flame sensor, negative terminal of the buzzer to ground, and positive terminal to the collector. And these two wires are for water pump. I'll show you how water pump looks like. This is water pump. It has got positive and negative wires. The positive wire, it is connected to the collector, and the negative wire of the water pump is connected to the ground. This is power supply connection, 3.7 volts battery connection. The battery negative is connected to ground, and positive is connected to first switch. See here, the positive is connected to switch, and from switch to positive terminal of the battery, and the negative terminal of the battery goes to ground. The positive terminal of the battery, first it comes to the positive terminal of the battery, goes to the switch, and from switch to from switch it is connected to VCC pin of flame sensor. So this is all about the connection. So finally, our project looks like this. So all the things we will do connection on one flat surface, and or any cap of the tub or cap of the box, and this we will fix it on one tub, and in tub we will keep one water pipe, and for this is a stand for the pipe, and whenever we bring a flame near to the flame sensor, and the water pump will start pumping the water in order to extinguish the fire. This is circuit for automatic fire extinguisher system using BD140 transistor and flame sensor. How it works? So first, when we turn on the switch, one switch is connected here between VCC of flame sensor and positive terminal of the battery. When we turn on the switch, power is supplied to the flame sensor, and power is also supplied to the BD140 transistor. The VCC of a flame sensor, it gets 3.7 volts from the battery, and ground is connected to negative terminal of the battery. So this will power up the flame sensor, and it will prepare to detect a flame. So the flame sensor continuously starts monitoring the flame. When no flame is detected, it produces high output signal to the base of the transistor. This means that no signal is sent to the this means that the N is connected to high signal and P is connected to 3.7 volts battery. Therefore, the transistor goes into the off state. When flame is detected, the D output pin produces low signal. When low is given to the base and high is given to the emitter, the base emitter junction forward biased and transistor goes into the on state. So since base is at lower voltage, PNP transistor turns on. In this case, current starts flowing from positive terminal of the battery, emitter, base, collector, positive of the buzzer and negative of the buzzer back to negative terminal of the battery, collector, positive of the water pump, negative of the water pump back to the negative terminal of the battery. So this will turn on the water pump and a buzzer. So since the positive terminal of both buzzer and water pump are connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and BD147 is already turns on, and the buzzer and water pump both becomes on. So as long as the flame is detected, it will keep the D out pin low and it will make BD140 transistor on. So the water pump will continuously spray the water to extinguish the fire, and the buzzer will keep on sounding an alert. Once the flame is extinguished, the flame sensor is no longer. This is a block diagram of automatic fire extinguisher. From the same circuit, I have drawn the block diagram neatly. By seeing this, you can make the connections easily. The VCC of flame sensor is connected to 3.7 volts through the switch. Ground of flame sensor, negative terminal of the battery, negative terminal of the water pump, all are connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and emitter is directly connected to positive terminal of the battery. Collector is connected to negative terminal of the battery, and base is connected to D out pin through 1 kilo ohm resistor, and ground is connected to negative terminal of the battery. This is about the block diagram connection.